MI-7948 Mobile Cart with Monitor Mount and CPU Holder. Installation. Turn the stand base over and install the wheels. Install the locking wheels on the shorter ends and the non-locking wheels on the longer ends. Tighten until secure using the provided wrench. Connect the lower pole to the stand base using the provided bolts through the top 4 holes. Then, place the provided bolt through the side hole and secure it from the other side with a washer and cap nut, then tighten until secure. Slide the decorative cover over the top of the pole until it rests at the base and covers the base connection. Insert the pole connector into the top of the lower pole. Next, insert the upper pole. Next, insert the provided bolts and secure with a cap nut. Separate the PC mount by completely removing the nuts on the underside and separate the 2 halves of the mount. You will be reattaching these later. Install the PC mount connector to the half of the PC mount with the 3 corresponding holes. Using the 3 provided bolts, then tighten until secure. On the bottom half of the lower pole, place both halves of the PC mount pole insert around the pole. Next, using the provided bolts, tighten until secure. Insert the T-shaped ends of the 2 PC straps through the horizontal slots on the upper left and right of the PC mount. The straps should be inserted through the slots so that when they are pulled back, the T-shaped ends of the strap prevents it from coming back through the slot. Reattach the 2 halves of the PC mount. Ensure the washers are still present on the threaded bolt between the 2 halves. Attach the hand knob over the bottom bolts and tighten loosely. They will be tightened fully once the PC is inserted. Insert the keyboard tray brushing into the connector on the keyboard tray. Slide the keyboard tray onto the upper pole and tighten the rear and side hand knobs to secure the keyboard tray in place. Place the mouse pad on the keyboard tray on the side that you prefer. Slide the VISA plate into the place on the upper pole and tighten the rear bolt to secure it in position at the desired height. Next, attach the cable management clips as needed. One above and one below the keyboard tray is recommended. Pass the end of the PC straps through the 2 short horizontal slots on the outer half of the PC mount. Thread the straps through the slide buckle on the strap, leaving the straps loose enough to insert the PC. Insert the PC into the PC mount and adjust the width of the PC mount to fit your device. Tighten the straps by pulling all the slack through the first slide buckle. Then, insert the ends of the strap through the cam buckle, then push the flap of the buckle down to latch the straps in place. Remove the VISA plate by removing the bolt on the top of the plate, and slide the plate up and off the end of the bracket. Attach the VISA plate using the selected bolts and tighten until secure. Slide the VISA plate back onto the bracket and reinstall the bolt on the top of the VISA plate. Then, tighten until secure. The monitor can be raised and lowered along the pole and can be tilted up and down a total of 15 degrees in each direction. The keyboard tray can be raised and lowered along the pole by loosening both hand knobs, and can be swiveled left and right by loosening only the side hand knob. The hex wrenches can be stored on the holes on the sides of the VISA plate located behind the monitor for easy access and adjustment. Push the brake lever down on the locking casters to prevent the cart from rolling, and pull them up to allow the wheels to turn.